the dignitaries back to the seat.
Nisha, a very good evening to all. Under the umbrella of She Inspires Us, let us take inspiration from Sri Devi ma'am. I request Miss Sri Devi ma'am to kindly come over the dais and to take over her place. Miss K. Sri Devi, GM, Civil and Structural, Design and Engineering, and has done her schooling and college education in Vijayawada. She has graduated in civil engineering from IIT Chennai in the year 1982 and joined VSP in the same year. WIPS feel proud to announce that she is the first women engineer of RINL and also single woman in projects division. In her span of 31 years of service, she has served in project contracts and design and engineering departments and was a part of construction of this gigantic plant and has seen the plant construction from inception. Her present position is General Manager, heading Civil, Structural and General Layout and Transportation section. She was a member and chairman of the many committees like Claims Committee, Standard Estimate Cell, Tender Committees, and Prevention of Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplaces, etc. Who can be more deserving than Madam Sri Devi is to be felicitated today? Now, I request Dr. Uma ma'am to join us for felicitation. Ma'am, kindly come to the dais and be seated.
Dr. G. Uma, GM Anesthesia, was born on 1st April 1960 in Ponduru, Srikakulam, to Sri G. Mohan Rao and Sri Lakshmi. She is the eldest child of the family. She studied her schooling in Ponduru. She studied MBBS in Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam. She pursued her post-graduation in anesthesia from Rangaraya Medical College, Kakinada. She joined as junior specialist in VSGH in anesthesia department in 1991. She did fellowship course in cardiovascular and neurosurgical anesthesia from NIMS, Hyderabad. She was trained in painless labor management at Fernandes Hospital, Hyderabad. She is very much interested about the patient suffering from pain, and she managed more than 300 patients with low backache with epidural anesthesia. She has also done MBA Hospital Administration, and she was the chairperson for the 41st ISMOC held in February 2020. All the delegates and participants have appreciated her organization skills. She is the best example of the Paripurna Mahila. Applause to Dr. Srimati G. Uma.
Of achievements of Dr. Sri Devi ma'am, I would like to add, she is one of the founder member of WIPS in VSP. And WIPS Crèche was started during 1997 in her tenure as General Secretary. Now, I request our guest of honor to give rosebud, and our chief guest to give shawl, and our CMD to hand over mementos. request Sri Devi ma'am to kindly share some words with us.
Guest Srimati Y.V. Anuradha Garu, guest of honor Srimati Amita Panda, and my colleague directors K.C. Das Sahab and Lalan Kumar ji and Madam Sarla. Of the dais, we have Venugopal Rao Sahib, D.K. Mohanty Sahib and K.K. Ghosh Sahib and A.K. Saxena Sahib and the Chief Vigilance Officer. And we have off the dais Madam Dr. Surya Prabha, probably most of us who joined early in the company, we know her very much, pretty well, the oldest probably gynecologist we had in our hospital. And Ramanamma and Lakshmi, she worked in our company secretary directorate, company secretary office. And the Vestil Mahila Samiti office bearers, my wife and the other members, and the beautiful ladies and friends from union, representative of Steel Executive Association, SC/ST Association, and whips, and senior officers, ladies and gentlemen. Probably I have addressed it to everybody. After hearing a lot from them, actually there is nothing left for me, because one way they have pointed out how in a family they were, when I was hearing or when I was listening to Madam Pandaji, then I came to know that how fortunate she was to be brought up in her own family. When I heard our chief guest, then what should we do actually in order to establish yourself, to assert yourself? Then what is left out to speak out? Only I will say that there are few things actually I jotted down, and I just will read out those and I'll go back. I say every home, every heart and every feeling without you is not complete. This is just I wrote, because of you only we are complete, and we should understand that it should come from within to give the respect or to share the respect. Every man, when in distress or is in problem, it is a wife or it is a lady who makes it all right. We have appreciated that, we have seen in the society. So needs a woman when in distress to set the things right. If you see the game of chess also, which probably is the oldest game, that probably the queen always protects the king. That is always there. The queen is the most powerful. The pieces that we have in the chess, and the queen protects the king. That's what I was also recollecting. So we just say that we should respect our female partners, and we should share the respect. We should share the respect. We should share everything with them. So nothing much to say about it. It's a great honor to be amongst all of you and to speak before you, because these are the two ladies actually who presented themselves, who presented their speech. Really was it was spellbound. I really appreciate very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.